Are you dreaming of longer, thicker, and healthier hair? You're not alone. Welcome back to our channel, where today we're unveiling 7 natural remedies to boost hair growth. Fast. If you're ready to transform your hair care routine and unlock the secrets to rapid hair growth, keep watching. Number 1. Scalp massage with essential oils. Massaging your scalp increases blood circulation, stimulating your hair follicles for faster growth. Combine this with essential oils like rosemary, lavender, or peppermint oil, known for their hair growth promoting properties. Just mix a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil and gently massage for 5 to 10 minutes a few times a week. Number 2. Aloe vera treatment. Aloe vera isn't just for soothing sunburns, it's a powerhouse for your hair too. Rich in proteolytic enzymes, it repairs dead skin cells on the scalp and promotes hair growth. Apply pure aloe vera gel directly to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes and rinse. Repeat this twice a week for best results. Number 3. Onion juice magic. It might sound unusual, but onion juice is packed with sulfur, boosting collagen production and encouraging hair regrowth. Blend a couple of onions, extract the juice, and apply it to your scalp for 15 minutes before washing it out. Do this once a week and watch the transformation. Number 4. Rosemary oil revival. Rosemary oil is a natural remedy celebrated for centuries to enhance hair thickness and growth. It stimulates blood circulation and combats scalp issues. Mix a few drops into your shampoo or dilute with a carrier oil for a rejuvenating scalp treatment twice a week. Number 5. Nourishing coconut oil. Coconut oil penetrates deep into hair shafts, reducing protein loss and strengthening your hair from within. Warm up some organic coconut oil and massage it into your scalp and hair. Leave it overnight and wash it out the next morning. Incorporate this into your routine 1 to 2 times a week for luscious locks. Number 6. Power-packed diet. Healthy hair starts from the inside out. Incorporate foods rich in biotin, vitamins A, C, and E, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. Think eggs, spinach, salmon, avocados, and nuts. These nutrients promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. Remember, you are what you eat. Number 7. Embrace a stress-free lifestyle. Stress is a common culprit behind hair loss. Practice relaxation techniques like yoga, meditation, or even daily walks to reduce stress levels. Prioritize self-care, and your hair will thank you. There you have it. 7 natural remedies to boost hair growth fast. Consistency is key, so incorporate these tips into your routine and watch your hair transform. Remember, every great accomplishment starts with the decision to try. Your journey to healthier, longer hair begins today. Please note that while these natural remedies have helped many, individual results may vary. If you have any underlying health conditions or severe hair loss issues, consult a healthcare professional or dermatologist. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe for more natural health and beauty tips. Let's achieve those hair goals together.